Now again we are going to see the subtopics. How important are dates? How do we periodize? What is colonial? Administration produces records. Surveys become important. What official records do not tell? Now we are going to see the diverse meanings. Colonial period associated with the domination of the British. ஆங்கிலேயர்களின் ஆதிக்கம். Calligraphist experts in art of writing. எழுத்து திறமை மிக்கவர்கள். Subjugation control over a country. அதிகார பலத்தால் பிற நாட்டை ஆட்சி செய்தல். Historians scholars who write histories. வரலாற்று நிகழ்வுகளை திறம்பட எழுதியவர்கள். Stretch of time duration period குறிப்பிட்ட நேரம் மற்றும் காலகட்டம். European societies East Indian companies கிழக்கு இந்திய வணிகர்கள். Autobiography written history of oneself சுயசரிதை. Official records a book of the details of a country and its administration. நாடு மற்றும் அதன் ஆட்சி முறைகளை உள்ளடக்கிய புத்தகம். Documents details of records உரிமை பத்திரங்கள். Governor General a post given by British government. ஆங்கிலேயர்களால் அளிக்கப்பட்ட உயர் பதவி. Survey collecting information or research. ஆராய்ச்சி செய்தல் or கணக்கெடுத்தல். Administration method of ruling ஆட்சி முறை. Personalities characters மிக முக்கிய உணர்வுகள். Sources a thing from which something originate ஆதாரங்கள். Ancient early period of history மிகவும் பழமை வாய்ந்த வரலாறு. Already you see this. Now I am going to ask the questions. You have to write that. Give the answers to them. James Rannell prepared the first map in which year? Can you guess the answer? James Mill divides the dash into 3 periods. Write the answer. The British preserved all the important dash and dash. The Mill's idea of history, the period before British rule, was one of dash. The British thought dash were important for effective administration. Now I am going to say the question part in mass the following. Try to write the answers. Warren Hastings. Who was Warren Hastings? Then ancient. What is the meaning of ancient? Then James Mill. Who is James Mill? Then what is the meaning of colony? Colony is the question. What is the meaning of colony? Just write the answer in one word. Then official records. It consists of what? Again I am going to repeat the question. Who is Warren Hastings? Who is James Mill? Define the word, that means the meaning of ancient and colony. What is official records consists? Now we are going to find the odd one out. Magellan, James Mill and Vasco da Gama. Then Robert Clive also. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the answer is you have to underline or circle the answer. Next one, Lord Canning, Queen Victoria, Tipu Sultan, Warren Hastings. Then there was surveys, records, documents. Next one, medieval, modern, ancient, and Panipat. Next one, French, Hitler, Dutch, then British. Now I am going to divide the word survey. Define the word survey. First question. There are 2 points in the first question. Why do we divide history into periods? In that question also you have 2 points. You have to write the 2 points. Is it correct to fix precise dates for long-term causes? Then there are more than 4 lines. You have to write more than 4 lines about this. Then what is colonization? The same for more than 3 lines. You have to give the answer. Then what is survey? More than 3 lines. Then what was the problem in periodization of Indian history by historians? You write the 2 points, more than 4 lines. Then why were census operations carried out? Why the census operations are carried out? Then 3 marks. First 3 marks. Why do we continue to associate history with the string of dates? There are 5 points are there. Within these 5 points, 3 points you already seen mind map also. The year the king, the year he married, the year he died, the next ruler succeeded the throne. The last 3 points are very easy for you. Okay. Then, what are the sources? Other sources of describing history. There are 2 points are there. More than 4 lines you have to write. What was the effect of colonization on India? The British came to India to conquer the colony to establish the roots. The first point. Then second point is there are more than 3 lines are there. Can you read this question? They established control over the economy and society collected revenue to meet all the expenses, bought the goods they wanted to low prices and brought the things. The taxes they collected. Then how do we write history? There are 3 points are there, more than 4 lines or 5 lines you have to write. Then the 5 mark. Within 5 mark I am going to read and going to read the subtopics. What sources do historians use in writing about the last 250 years of Indian history? How were these preserved? The official records of British administration, first point. Preservation of important documents and letters, second point. Third one, created record rooms and the places of record rooms, the fourth point. Fifth point is the copy of records. Now, you read and write the home testing 5 mark and 3 mark questions. I hope all of you understand this lesson. Okay. Read all the 1 marks and read and write the D words and hard words with Tamil and English only. Thank you, children.